A lot of people will ask me, Dee, how did you get started with digital marketing? So I'm going to share my journey with you. So I originally started in 2021 as I was on TikTok and I came across a girl promoting a product and making money online. And I was like, let me check this out. Let me see what it's about. So the product I purchased teaches you how to be an affiliate marketer and how to market products for companies or businesses, and you earn part of that commission. So as an affiliate marketer, I truly fell in love with the opportunity to work from anywhere using your cell phone, Wi-Fi, and a laptop. And guys, when I started, I had zero experience and zero followers, and I did make money here or there, but I wanted more. My journey continued and I would dive deeper into other ways to make money online. So recently, in the past, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 months, I came across products that you could actually have the master resale rights to it, and you can make 100% of that profit. Well, I was all in because I was like, I don't have time to create my own product, but I definitely was interested in branding myself, using my colors, my logo, all my information, right? I purchased that digital product for $497. Now that digital product teaches you the skills on how to be a digital marketer, how to build a business online, and you can actually market anything you want. You don't have to market this product, but it gives you the skills to market whatever you're passionate about. So I've done that, and because I don't want to really do anything else, because I love what I do, I decided I'm going to market this digital product as a digital marketer. This digital product is truly changing my life. And again, guys, it's not rocket science. It's not like I'm like inventing anything. I'm leveraging other people's products that they have created, and I purchased it. So again, I have the master resale rights, and I can sell it over and over and over, and you can too. I also use software, and the software you use is System.io, and it's actually free up to 2,000 subscribers, or I think it's like 2 funnels and an email campaign. But what I'm basically saying is it's free at first. So here I am, I dedicate 2 hours a day to this business. I use free software. I have my own digital product that I've branded, and I show up every day, and I'm truly generating a shit ton of money. And now my job is to bring it to your attention, because you can literally learn to do the same thing. All you have to do is step up to the plate and take action and start. It does take time because, again, if you're starting out with zero experience, zero following, you're going to learn some skills like doing these TikTok videos, understanding what a sales funnel is, an email campaign. But as long as you put your head down, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, you could be living a different lifestyle and starting to write up your 2-week notice for your boss. So save this video and follow me so you can learn more. And don't forget to share.